Hello friends, welcome to Digital Insights Nexus. Today we are diving deep into ChatGPT 4. If you are wondering what ChatGPT 4 is and how it's different from earlier versions, you are in the right place. We will also explore how it can revolutionize digital marketing. So let's get started. Let's start with what is ChatGPT 4.0. ChatGPT 4.0 is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It's a type of artificial intelligence which can understand and generate human like text. Think of it as a super smart chatbot which can hold conversations, answer questions, and even help with creative tasks. Now, next question that comes to our mind is, how does ChatGPT 4.0 work? Well, ChatGPT 4.0 uses a technology called deep learning. It has been trained on vast amounts of data from the internet. This training helps it understand context, generate coherent responses, and mimic human conversation. It is like teaching a robot to read and write by showing it billions of books. The key differences between ChatGPT 4 and previous versions are: number one, better understanding of context. ChatGPT 4.0 is much better at understanding the context of a conversation. It remembers what was said earlier and uses that information to give more accurate responses. This makes interactions feel more natural and less robotic. Number two, more accurate responses. So, with improved training data and techniques, ChatGPT 4.0 provides more accurate and relevant answers. It's less likely to go off topic or give incorrect information. Third difference is enhanced creativity. ChatGPT 4.0 can generate more creative and engaging content. Whether you need help writing a story, creating marketing copy, or brainstorming ideas, it can be a valuable tool. Number four is improved handling of complex queries. This version can tackle more complex questions and provide detailed explanations. It's not just about simple Q&A anymore, it can handle nuanced discussion. Fifth difference is increased efficiency. ChatGPT 4.0 processes information faster and more efficiently. This means quicker responses and the ability to handle more tasks simultaneously. Sixth difference is a better multilingual support. ChatGPT 4.0 has improved support for multiple languages, making it more accessible and useful for global audiences. Now let's talk about how ChatGPT 4.0 is going to impact digital marketing. This AI tool can transform the way businesses interact with customers, create content, and analyze data. Number one is the way it's going to impact digital marketing is in the space of personalized customer interactions. ChatGPT 4.0 can be used to create personalized customer experiences. Imagine having a chatbot on your website which understands each visitor's needs and provides tailored recommendation. Now, this can boost customer satisfaction and increase sales. For instance, if a customer is browsing for a specific product, the chatbot can suggest related items, enhancing the shopping experience. Number two is content creation. Creating high quality content is time consuming. ChatGPT 4.0 can help by generating blog posts, social media updates, and even video scripts. This can save marketers a lot of time and ensure a consistent flow of content. Additionally, it can help maintain a consistent brand voice across all platforms, which is crucial for brand recognition and trust. Then, number third is SEO optimization. SEO or search engine optimization is crucial for digital marketing. ChatGPT 4.0 can assist in creating SEO friendly content. It can suggest keywords, write meta descriptions, and even help with backlink strategies. This means that your content is more likely to rank higher in search engine results, driving more organic traffic to your website. Then comes data analysis and insights. Analyzing customer data can be overwhelming. ChatGPT 4.0 can process large data sets and provide insights. For example, it can analyze customer feedback, identify trends, and suggest improvements. This helps businesses make data driven decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Then number 5 is customer support. Customer support can be enhanced with ChatGPT 4.0. It can handle common queries, provide instant responses, and escalate complex issues to human agents. This can improve efficiency and reduce response times, leading to higher customer satisfaction. Additionally, it can be available 24/7, ensuring customers get help whenever they need it. Now, number 6 is lead generation and qualification. ChatGPT 4.0 can assist in identifying and qualifying leads. By engaging with potential customer through chat or email, it can gather information about their needs and interests. This information can then be used to nurture leads and guide them through the sales funnel, thereby increasing the chances of conversion. Number 7 is enhanced advertising campaigns. ChatGPT 4.0 can help create more effective advertising campaigns. It can analyze data to identify target audiences and suggest the best messaging and channels to reach them. This can result in higher ROI for advertising spend. Now, this was the theoretical part. Now, let's look at some real world examples of how businesses can use ChatGPT 4.0 in digital marketing. Number 1 is in the space of e-marketing website. An online store can use ChatGPT 4.0 to recommend products based on customer preferences. If a customer is browsing for shoes, the chatbot can suggest similar styles or complementary items like socks and accessories. Additionally, it can handle after sales support, providing information about shipping, returns, and more. Then number 2 is in social media engagement. Managing multiple social media accounts can be challenging, as you all know. ChatGPT 4.0 can help by scheduling posts, responding to comments, and generating content ideas. This ensures a consistent and engaging social media presence. It can also analyze social media metrics to determine which type of content performs best. In the space of email marketing, creating personalized email campaigns can be made easier with ChatGPT 4.0. It can help draft email content, segment email lists, and even suggest the best times to send emails for maximum engagement. Personalized email can lead to higher open and click through rates, ultimately driving more conversions. Then comes the space of market research, where ChatGPT 4.0 can be really handy. It can analyze customer reviews, social media conversations, and other data sources to provide valuable market insights. This helps businesses understand customer preferences and adjust their strategies accordingly. It can also help identify gaps in the market and suggest new product ideas. Then comes the content strategy planning. By analyzing trends and audience preferences, ChatGPT 4.0 can help marketers plan their content strategy. It can suggest topics which are likely to resonate with the audience, helping to increase engagement and drive traffic. Now that we've understood the impact of ChatGPT 4.0 on digital marketing, let's explore its future prospects. The future of digital marketing with ChatGPT 4.0 looks promising. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated tools and applications. Here are a few potential developments. Number 1 is voice assistants. Voice search is becoming more popular. ChatGPT 4.0 could be integrated with voice assistants to provide seamless voice-based interactions. This means customers can get answers and make purchases just by speaking. For instance, a customer could ask their voice assistant for product recommendations or to place an order, making the shopping experience even more convenient. Then you have advanced personalization. Future versions of ChatGPT could offer even more personalized experiences. They could analyze customer behavior in real time and adjust marketing strategies on the fly. This means that marketing messages can be tailored to each individual based on their current behavior and preferences. Then comes improved sentiment analysis. Understanding customer sentiment is crucial for effective marketing. ChatGPT 4.0 and its successors could provide more accurate sentiment analysis, helping businesses respond to customer emotions and build better relationships. For example, if a customer expresses frustration on social media, then the AI can alert customer service teams to intervene and resolve the issue promptly. Fourth one is automated video content. As we all know, video content is king in digital marketing. In the future, AI could help create video content automatically, from script writing to editing. This would make video marketing more accessible to all businesses. AI could also personalize video content for different audience segments, making it more engaging and relevant. Number 5 is enhanced data privacy and security. As AI becomes more integrated into marketing, ensuring data privacy and security will be paramount. Future versions of ChatGPT could incorporate advanced security features to protect customer data and comply with regulators like GDPR. Then you have integrated marketing solutions. ChatGPT 4.0 could be part of an integrated marketing solution that combines AI with other tools like CRM systems, email marketing platform, and analytical tools. This would provide a seamless and efficient marketing workflow, helping businesses manage all aspects of their marketing strategy in one place. Now let's look at the challenges and considerations. So while ChatGPT 4.0 offers many benefits, there are also challenges and considerations to keep in mind. Number one is quality control. Although ChatGPT 4.0 generates high quality content, it still requires oversight. Marketers need to review and edit the content to ensure it aligns with their brand voice and messaging. Then you have the issue of ethical considerations. Using AI in marketing raises ethical questions. Businesses must ensure that they use ChatGPT 4.0 responsibly, respecting customer privacy and avoiding manipulative practices. Number 3 is training and adaptation. Implementing ChatGPT 4.0 requires training and adaptation. Businesses need to invest time and resources to train their teams on how to use the tool effectively. Then you have the issue of cost. While ChatGPT 4.0 can save time and improve efficiency, there are costs associated with its implementation. Businesses need to evaluate the return on investment and ensure that the benefits outweigh the costs. ChatGPT 4.0 is a game changer for digital marketing. Its advanced capabilities can help businesses create personalized experiences, generate content, and analyze data more efficiently. As AI technology continues to advance, the possibilities are endless. Embracing tools like ChatGPT 4.0 can give businesses a competitive edge in the ever evolving digital landscape. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and digital marketing. See you next time.